Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday, or a whimsical Wednesday. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Before I get into, food, I went on a field trip yesterday morning. I went to the Super X Market on Northfield Road in Linda. It's an Asian market. Yeah, I went to an Asian market a few weeks ago with Chef Mark. That's a postage stamp compared to the Super X. Big store, great variety. If you're looking for Oriental food products, Super X Market on Northfield in Linda. I picked up a couple things. Let me switch. Picked up some coconut milk. I was actually there for coconut milk, but Dragonfly seems to be a popular brand of Asian products. So I picked up some coconut milk. This was only $1.99. I picked up two. And I picked up these fun little wheels. It's just a macaroni pasta. And for a big whopping 69 cents. Robert and I were talking about these this morning. I think it'd be fun for like a pasta salad. And they had these, I didn't buy them, I should have. They had these cute little stars. They were like a 7-point star, really flat. How did Robin say? With a little bit of butter, salt, and pepper? Yeah. So, Super X Market, Northfield Road, Linda. That's California, for the people that are not living here in California. Great place. Fish sauces. Wow. We saw rice that was, I'm pretty sure it was grown here in Sutter County. Got shipped to some Asian country and then got packaged and came back here. Because it says product of the USA. And rice, at least Sutter County rice, and other parts of California's rice, is really very popular in places like Japan. So I saw a rice I had never heard of. A brown jasmine rice. Now, we've all heard of brown rice, but not brown jasmine. Fun stuff. All right. Last night, I did my andouille sausage with red cabbage. It had garlic, it had peppers, it had onion, served it over egg noodles. Look at the pictures. Yeah, very good. And I let it cook and cook down and get good. And oh yeah. All right. Tonight, I'm doing a carrot ginger soup. This recipe, for some reason, just caught my eye. And I realized that when I woke up at 12:30 last night after out of a sound sleep, that this is like the second or so time I have done a carrot ginger dish in general. Yeah, but this is more Asian. Let me show you. All right, we've got the Dutch oven. Of course, there's carrots. That's about 2 pounds of carrots. Kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of olive oil, veggie stock. There's going to be some fish sauce. Of course, I got the big old show and tell ginger out, but I'll be using the squeezed ginger. There's shallot, Thai red curry paste, more of the Dragonfly coconut milk, garlic, going to be garnished with some cilantro. Yes, and there's going to be some lime juice and a little bit of lime zest. And I get to use the boat motor today, one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. So you can see, when I did the carrots with the ginger beer, that was an Alton Brown recipe. That wasn't Asian. It was basically a gingered carrots. This is an Asian soup, or Asian inspired, I'll say. So this should be fun. I look forward to it. Again, I get to use my boat motor. Yay. All right. On this whimsical Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.